Hi, I'm Ali Azim. My background is working in strategy consultancy, though I've got a finance and marketing background too. I did also study computer science at Cambridge and am now going into social gaming.
Hi, I'm Mani, and my background is I'm a software developer at a financial services house, and we make software for stockbrokers, wealth managers, portfolio managers, and the whole sorts. I work with Delphi, Java, JavaScript, HTML, and robots.
My name is Robyn. My background is brand and marketing, although I'm currently working on a lesbian dating app called Datch.
I'm Teenum. I'm a web designer from London. I work with client websites, developing them and social media strategies.
I'm Niket, and I'm a first-year computing student. That's it.
What application are you building?
The application that we're building is essentially, it's an online game, a word game, where the purpose is to basically allow people to play against multiple people, ideally within their friendship group. That's the concept. What we really want to do here is try to drive engagement through the social game platform itself, allowing for new shared experiences with old groups of friends who perhaps don't have as much time to spend with one another nowadays.
And why did you feel that Hackathon was the right environment to build that application?
I think the great thing about a hackathon is it basically allows you to take a completely new team and a new idea and really develop it very, very quickly, very, very rapidly, and create a minimal viable product. We don't expect it to be the final thing, but it can become something really, really big.
And basically once you're in, you can't get out. That's it. You're locked in and there's no turning back, so you will produce it.
And it's great to bounce ideas off people and figure out what's going to work and what's not going to work and things that you haven't thought of before. And it just means an idea can be developed so much further than just from one person, an initial idea.
It helps bring in diverse qualities and talents into the team. So you're basically working with people you don't know what their backgrounds are, you don't know what they're good at, but you've got to figure it out in the span of 15 minutes when you have the first meet, or maybe the first 5 minutes, or even the first minute when they pitch out the ideas. And eventually you've got to suss it out. How do you really fit in, where do you fit in? And it's all about instincts in the beginning, and then eventually, if you really follow your gut feelings, then you end up in the team more or less where you're supposed to be. And all the good things come to the table, and the good thing, at least from this hackathon so far, has been that we've pretty much been well connected with what we're going to do and on board with what we want to do. So there's been minimal disagreements, and we've been basically following each other's tags and following each other's ideas and making it our idea rather than splitting in different directions, which can happen in normal teams.
And tell us, guys, why is this application going to win the hackathon?
Oh, well, we've got the best team.
Did you hear our backgrounds?
Yeah, exactly. It's a great cross experience, which in all seriousness is very, very strong, and that's a great part of it. But I think also the nature of the project is one that it is far-reaching, and it does deal with a very, very serious need. And I think both of those two things, when you're dealing with a large audience and a serious need, is what makes a great company.
It's a very unique concept as well. I mean, you might find a part or bit of the ideas that we have used somewhere else in some other form, but the way we're going to be going further with it after this is going to be different from what you have in the market. So you might have other applications that might look like this, but it's not going to be similar to the way we're going to be taking it. So it's got its unique touch, even though you might find bits and pieces here and there in the app.
And it's addictive, really, really addictive. So once we show people, they'll start playing.
Thank you.
Great. Lovely.
Well done.
Thanks.
Thank you.